You can't teach an old dog new tricks, but what if it's an old trick that makes your next live stream memorable?
Rear projection is a great trick. Your actor works in front of a projected image, and unlike a chroma key, you're eliminating a step in post because you're doing it all in camera, and you can actually see the finished product while you're shooting. That's cool. Hollywood used lo-fi rear projection a lot. We've all seen it. It was corny, but we bought it back then, partly because they didn't charge us $15 for a bag of popcorn. Cut to how they're pushing technology now with interactive LED screens. On shows like The Mandalorian, they use video game engines that render and react to camera movement in real time. Pretty amazing. Now, I've used basic rear projection on SportsCenter a few times. It made for some fun segments with our guests without actually having to go on location. Flashback to high school when I didn't have access to a fancy studio. I hung a bedsheet on my garage door and put a slide projector across the street. Yeah, it was pretty ugly, but hey, I was just learning. With rear projection in your toolbox, the possibilities are endless. So next time you see Jon Favreau and he says he's looking for some help on The Mandalorian, just tell him you know a guy. I won't even charge him for the slide projector.